So if you're going to get this idea of tension down and grounding down, you got to understand one thing, and that's how to be proactive. Proactive energy is so powerful. It's that ability to ride tension like a wave. It's that ability to enjoy tension. It's that ability to be turned on by it and to savor it and take your time with it. See, most men, and I realized this many years ago, would come to me and they want to learn how to step into tension and be good with women, but they did it because they had to. They did it because they wanted to get a goal, and they weren't really learning to enjoy it. So now we focus on teaching you how to really enjoy it. It's like riding a wave. If you're ahead of the wave crashes on top of you, you get destroyed. If you're behind the wave, you don't catch it at all. And when you're in that sweet spot, right in the pocket, and you're riding perfectly, perfect vibrational time with that wave, that's when you really nail it. So learn to be proactive with emotions, with feeling, with turn on, with tension, and watch how your interactions change. And you can find out more about this in my Attract Your Crush video, which you can see on YouTube, and I'll see you in the next video.